Hello friends, good morning. Today we have learned the chemistry of transition element TYBSc chapter. First study of the transition series element. Transition element, the element in which differentiating electron enters in n-1d orbital of n-1th main shell are called transition element. These elements are also known as bridge element as they are lying between S and P block element in a periodic table. Transition element are present in the periodic table in between S and P block element because the differentiating electron in this element enters in d orbital, so those elements are called as d block element, in which the last electron enters into the d orbital, so this transition element is also called as a d block element. Next, the atomic radius of transition element. So the distance from center of nucleus to the valence shell of electron in an atom is known as atomic radius. So न्यूक्लियसचा सेंटर आणि त्याच्या सराउंडिंगचा जो इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे त्यामध्ये जितकं डिस्टन्स असतं त्यालाच म्हटलं जातं ॲटॉमिक रेडियस. ॲटॉमिक रेडियस इज अ मेजर इन अ सेंटीमीटर. ॲटॉमिक रेडाय इज ॲक्च्युली डिक्रीजेस अक्रॉस अ रो in the periodic table due to the increase in the effective nuclear charge. इफेक्टिव्ह न्यूक्लिअर चार्ज इन्क्रीज होत असल्यामुळे ॲटॉमिक रेडाय हा डिक्रीज होत जातो इन रोमध्ये. विथ इन इच ग्रुप द ॲटॉमिक रेडियस टेंड्स टू इन्क्रीज विथ द ॲटॉमिक नंबर. आणि इन कॉलम्समध्ये ॲटॉमिक रेडियस ही वाढत जाते का तर ॲटॉमिक नंबर हा वाढत जातो, त्यामुळे इन कॉलममध्ये ॲटॉमिक रेडियस ही वाढत जाते. जितका ॲटॉमिक नंबर मोठा तितकी त्याची ॲटॉमिक रेडियस. द ट्रान्झिशन मेटल कॅन फॉर्म अ व्हरायटी ऑफ आयन बाय लुझिंग द वन ऑर मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन. ट्रान्झिशन मेटल जे असतात ते इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हे लूज करत असतात. फॉर द फर्स्ट 5 मेटल द मॅक्झिमम पॉसिबल ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट करस्पॉन्ड टू द लॉस ऑफ ऑल द 4s and 3d इलेक्ट्रॉन. Towards the right end of the period, maximum oxidation state are not observed. In fact, 2+ ion are the most common oxidation state because the 3d orbital becomes the lower in energy as the nuclear charge increases. The electron become increasingly difficult to remove. Next, ionization energy. So it is denoted by E. The minimum energy required to remove an electron from the ground state of an atom in the gas phase. It is a definition of ionization energy. For example, metal plus M plus H nu, it gives M plus electron. So increase across row. In row मध्ये तो increase होत जातो ionization energy and but increase is smaller than for main group element. Also, the third transition row has a higher ionization energy than first 2 rows. It runs counter to main group element due to outer electron being held more tightly. So it is a graph. Second, next topic, the physical property of metal, the efficient conduction of heat and electricity. Next, the malleability. Ductility means they can pull into the wires. Malleability means they can be hammered into thin sheet. Thin sheet आपण तसं करू शकतो. And a lusters or shiny appearance असते मेटलला. आणि all transition element are metal at a room temperature except mercury which is a liquid at a room temperature. फक्त लिक्विड असा मर्क्युरी असा आहे की ते लिक्विड असं ॲट अ रूम टेम्परेचरला. बाकी सगळे एलिमेंट जे मेटल जे असतात रूम टेम्परेचरला ते मेटल असतात. Next, alloys. What is meant by alloys? So alloys are the mixture of metal and to improve the strength. So it is a mixture of metal and non-metal. So example of alloys, gold jewelry. गोल्ड ज्वेलरी जे असतं त्याच्यामध्ये ऑरेट आणि AG असतं, AU and AG. ब्रॉन्झमध्ये कॉपर अँड टिन. ब्रांज कॉपर अँड झिंक. स्टर्लिंग सिल्वर कॉपर अँड AG सिल्वर. Next, magnetic property. Although an electron behaves like a tiny magnet, two electrons that are opposite in spin and cancel each other, only atom with unpaired electron exhibit magnetic susceptibility. A paramagnetic substance is one that is weakly attracted by a magnetic field, usually the result of unpaired electron. And a diamagnetic substance is not attracted by magnetic field. जे डायमॅग्नेटिक सबस्टन्स असतात ते मॅग्नेटिक फील्डकडे अट्रॅक्ट होत नाही बिकॉज इट हॅज अ ओनली पेअर इलेक्ट्रॉन. डायमॅग्नेटिक मीन्स पेअर इलेक्ट्रॉन, paramagnetic means unpaired electron. Next one, the color of the complex ion. So the color wheel absorption of color appears as a complementary color. The coloring causes the lower d orbital electron to go up to higher d orbital state. The specific wavelength of light is kicked out and the complement of color absorbed. The colorless complex are either d0 or d10 don't have a d orbital electrons to move up. Then color of period 4 transition metal. So electrons in partially filled d sublevel absorb the visible light and moves to slightly higher energy d orbital. कलर का येतो कारण की ट्रान्झिशन मेटलमध्ये अनपेअर इलेक्ट्रॉन असतात, त्यांचे डी ऑर्बिटल हे फुलफिल नसतात, त्यामुळे ट्रान्झिशन मेटलला कलर येतो. ट्रान्झिशन मेटल, द एलिमेंट इन ग्रुप 3 to 12, द लेस रिॲक्टिव्ह हार्डर मेटल, include metal used in jewelry and constructions, and metal is used as a metal. Then bronze. So copper alloys containing tin, lead, aluminum and silicon and nickel are classified as a bronze. Means it is a alloy. So copper tin bronze is one of the earliest alloy to be discovered, as a copper ores invariably contain tin, stronger than brass with good corrosion and tensile. The properties can be cast, hot work and cold work, wide range of applications, ancient Chinese cast artifacts, then skateboard, ball bearing, then surgical and dental instrument. So it is an application or uses of bronze. Next one, copper. So the second large use of copper is probably in coins. जे कॉइन असतात ते कॉपरचे बनलेले असतात. The US nickel is actually 75% copper. The dime, quarter and $1 coin contain 91.67% copper, and the Susan B. Anthony dollar is 87.5% copper. The various euro coin are made of copper nickel, copper zinc nickel or copper aluminum zinc tin alloys. Application of stainless steel. The stainless steel, a group of steel that contain at least 11% chromium, exhibit extraordinary corrosion resistance due to the formation of a very thin layer of chromium oxide on the surface. The category of stainless steel, ferrite stainless steel composed of ferrite, BCC, Martin's tin stainless steel can be heat treated. Austenitic stainless steel means austenite phase field is extended to room temperature and most corrosion resistance, and duplex stainless steel, ferrite plus austenite. So it is the application of the stainless steel. Next, the biological importance of iron. The phase plays a central role in almost all living cell. The component of hemoglobin and myoglobin, so a component आहे, then involved in the electron transport chain. So it is a structure of vitamin B12. Thank you.